Okay. I think I can see what I need to see. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. So we stopped at number 30 yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's quickly pick up from there. And remember, today we're doing our best to be as fast as possible. So, Favor, we really need you to be up, uh, as in good with your reading and as clear as possible.
Okay.
Okay.
He
All right.
said,
So, go ahead.
a cyclist travels at speed of 40 kilometers. Say it again. A cyclist traveled at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour for
Hmm.
7.5, 7 1/2 hours. How far does it cover? How far? Okay, I saw the question.
Okay. 40 kilometers per hour, right?
Yes, sir. 40
And
km.
for how long?
For how 7.5 hours.
Seven
How
and a half
far
hours.
did
And then they now say, how far? So how far should be what? Who can tell me?
distance?
Thank you
Distance.
very much. Distance. Can you see how so easy it is to, figure out everything when you know what you need? So if distance is what they're asking us for, what's the formula for distance? Can you remember that our
Okay.
triangle? Who can remember?
Yes, I remember this trial. Oh, well.
Mhm. That thing that Faith was trying to draw now doesn't look like a triangle. Better. Speed equals what? Speed equals what?
Speed equals to
Distance over time, right?
yes, sir.
So this is how it looks. Speed equals distance over time. So that means now remember speed. Can you see that speed is looking upwards at D and
Yes.
then looking downwards at T? So that will remind you that it is what distance over time. Now distance is on top. Speed and time are underneath. So that should tell you that speed and time are multiplying, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now let me ask this is just my own question. It's not from this particular question. What if we were looking for time? What would be the formula?
The
Based on this triangle, what would be the formula? Time will be equals to what? Quickly,
time
somebody
will
talk to
be
me.
S equals to D over T. So we will switch S and T. So it will become T equals to D over S.
Excellent. T equals D over S. And if you look at our triangle again, T is looking upwards at D. That means D is up. And T is looking downwards at S. That means S is in the denominator. Well done. You got that correctly. Okay, so in this particular one, D is equal to what? S times T, right? So S times T. Now, let's, how do we handle this? S times T.
S times T.
Yes,
S
so
times
that's going to
T
be
means 40 times. That is 280 kilometers.
eh,
14. No, sorry,
eh.
40 times 14. No, 14 times 15 over 2.
Thank you. So you change it to what? Um, um,
Like
Improper fraction, right?
40,
And then
50,
that will now give us what? What's
50
going to cancel there?
over 2.
You should already know what we cancel there. What we cancel?
Yes, 2 in itself. 1.
Uh-huh.
2
What
in what
else?
is 20.
Okay, so 20 times 15 is what?
20 times 300.
Uh-huh. It's equal to 300. Now, do you know that there was a question that we did not ask ourselves before we proceeded on this? Do you remember? Who remembers? What question are we supposed to ask ourselves before we even, before we start looking for formula and all that? What question are we supposed to check?
We're supposed to check it's supposed to check how much you recover.
No. Okay, let me just say it because if I allow you, people will just spend time on that. Now, this is what we should have checked. I want you to take a look at how I started. Can you see how I wrote out all the things I need? I wrote out that S is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. Did you see I wrote out the units? That's why units are very, very important. Favor, I hope you are listening. So the units are very, very important. Now look at the time. The time is in hour. So what does that tell you? It means that the speed and time agree. How do I know? Because the speed, this thing is kilometer per hour, and time is what? In hour. Now, I want you to remember that we've seen a question before that the speed was what? Kilometer per hour, but the time was in minutes. Who remembers that question? Okay, Favor remembers. Faith, you are just reluctantly raising your finger. But you remember, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I remember
Okay, good.
It's in number minutes converted.
And you now know that there is no way we can use minutes and work our way to the correct answer with a kilometer per hour. I hope you know that it's not possible.
Yes, so
and they will deliberately put the wrong answer for you. So please don't fall for that trap. So anytime the units don't align, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to convert, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So you can go ahead and write for this so that we can progress to the next question.
31 So I just realized you forgot your D here.
Where? D. Okay. Okay, let me tell you why I did not put D there. Can you see, and now I want you to take this feedback from me. When you're writing, and you remember you are trying to be fast, okay? There are some things that you don't have to write all the time. Did you get me?
Not all the time, but write is important.
Let me show you what I mean. Can you see that I've written D here?
Yes, sir.
So my not writing it on the next line is implied that D is there. It's the same trend. I'm just following that line. So if now imagine this thing had 10 lines. Are you telling me that 10 steps? Are you telling me that you will write D for all the 10 steps? You don't want to shoot yourself in the leg. So what are you supposed to do?
Yes, I write D for the old because our writers said we should write.
So now let me say something. Yes, if you are fast enough and you feel you are really, really fast, then writing D for all the 10 steps will not change anything, may not slow you down. But I'm telling you that you are the one that will be tired by yourself. Nobody will tell you that this thing that I'm doing is unnecessary. Nobody will tell you. But there are times that things will change in the middle of your steps, in the middle of your walking. There is no more D that should be out there. Then it's now compulsory that you must write what should be out there. Because the person who is following your walking will understand, okay, for clarity, something has changed. So this is why this person wrote it like this. Anyway, don't worry. By the time you are right, Eddie, you guys have written an exam now. Nobody will tell you that there are some things I shouldn't bother writing again. I've already written them, and it follows like that. So there's no need to write them again. When you
our
see
professor said that if you did not write the like D or whatever letter they get, like P or
yes.
C or C or F, that it is a total 0.
Well, so I mean, like I said, from my experience, once you write it the first time, the steps that follow are agreeing with what you've written in the first step. There's no need to write it again. Okay, so are we done with this? Are we done with 31? We're done with 31. Can I wipe it off so that we can have space? Favor, you're not done?
I'm done.
Okay. All right. 32, please.
32, it says 32 says
yes.
there are 1,497 people in a stadium. If 885 are adults, how many are children are they given?
Wow.
Your answer in Roman numeral. Simple. Just add the adult, just minus it from the total. And that's how you get your children. And that's very simple.
So this question is not really a hard question, right?
Yes.
But because they say your answer should be in Roman numerals, that's where somebody is going to get seriously this thing. How many adults are there?
885.
800 and what? 85. So let's can we quickly subtract this, and then we'll now get the number of children. So 7 minus 5 is what?
7 minus 5 is 2.
Okay, we have 2, we have 1. You can see even the subtraction is not hard. And then we have 6. So that's 612 what? Children. So permit me to just call them kids for now, because of that writing with annotation is not it's not easy. Okay, so 612 kids. So what do we now? How do we write 612 in Roman numerals? Yes.
We are going to 600 is DC.
I know that you people are good with Roman numerals.
XII. That's the
XII. Thank you. That's good. That's good. You people are good with Roman numerals. I know that from the start. So keep it up, or don't relent your efforts. Okay. So can we go to number 33? I'm sure number 32 was a walkover.
Number 32. No.
They said no. But people were just answering me like that now, wasn't it really easy?
Oh no. Oh God.
Faith, why are you doing as if you're tired? You've eaten, no? Stop doing like somebody that has not eaten. That's why I did not disturb you at all. I said, these girls, they are going to eat their breakfast. Let them not come and start telling me, hey, I'm tired, though. No.
Sir, if we not eat our breakfast soon, the day we enter here, we'll come out here, we'll not hear anything.
I know now, I understand.
That's how we add us. No,
So me, I wanted to enter and stay. So that's why I said you should have your breakfast. So it's good.
So I just want to say that if people did not eat, if you're talking to them, it will not even enter anywhere. No, they will not even hear you. We call them how many times, they will not hear you because they are imagining in their food, in their food.
Exactly. And their stomachs, the only thing they'll be listening to is their stomachs rumbling.
And that is me. That is our class. When Ms. Amila will say that all of us that when we were writing it and the jingle bell every time, everybody will be saying, when we finish running, I will say, another news. Everybody saying, oh, Mr. Milari, please, we are hungry. Hey, that's our own saving grace. Our former senior, they will not do like that. They will wait till they finish that note. Oh, us, we're not like that.
Okay. All right. Are we on to number 33 now?
Okay. Come, sir. I need to clean all this.
Okay, Favor, over to you.
Okay, sir. She's not done. I'm done. You're done. Why is she writing? She's drawing.
Okay, go ahead, Favor.
Okay. Number 33 says, simplify.
Simplify what?
Hey! Simplify. Shall we write something? 3y minus 4, 7 minus what? 7.2 equals minus 7 equals 7.2 equals 24.6. That's all.
Equals 24.6. So are you that exclamation that two of you were giving, is it because there's decimal point?
No, it's in our mind. We're saying it's very, very simple.
Really? That didn't sound like that to me. It sounded like people had seen one very, very hard something that's making people to exclaim.
No.
So it's the same thing now. What are we looking for here? We're looking for y.
Algebra.
Thank you. It's algebra. So what are we going to do to both sides?
Divide 3y.
What are we going to do? Yes, 3y equals to what?
2.
You're not answering me. I need answers.
3y equals to 24.6 minus 7.
Am I hearing minus?
7.2.
Am I hearing minus?
I mean plus.
Why is it that you've forgotten that anytime we want to collect like terms, you are supposed to move whenever things are moving?
Okay.
You change the sign.
I have forgotten. The minus. I didn't see the minus.
So that minus is too small for you to see, Abi. That's why you did not see it.
Not too small.
Okay.
It was too small.
Well done. Oh yeah, 24.6 plus 7.2 is what? Now, you know, I told people that sometimes you can add some things without having to start arranging them.
Yes,
do you remember us talking about that?
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, so what is the answer?
31.8.
31 point what?
8.
Thank you. 31.8. So what are we now going to do to both sides?
Divide both sides by 3.
Thank you very much. Divide both sides by 3, because that's the only way we can find y. So if I divide here by 3, 3 will cancel itself, right?
Yes, sir.
So 31.8 divided by 3. This is where I'm going to catch somebody. Oh yeah, 3 in itself.
1.
3
0.
in 3.
1. And 0, 10.
10. Okay, thank you.
6. 10.6.
Okay. 6. Okay. Yes, I think I agree with that. And that 0 there is because of what? 3, you will say 3 in 1, 0, isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you very much for not making that mistake. So it's 10.6. Somebody would have gone and said, is it not 16? You will so be on your own if you ever come to that answer. Okay. So you right. Go ahead and write. I think it looks like we're faster today, and I like that. So let's just keep moving like that so that.
You say what?
I said it looks like we're faster today.
We're past what?
I said faster.
I don't know.
Or you don't agree that we're faster? Does it not look like we're faster?
I don't know. You just started. No, film. You not even filming. No. I've reached this side. It has even finished one page already for my own. Same.
Okay. That's in your book?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Not me. One. Let me sit down right there. Oh.
Okay, so are we ready for number 34?
So please, can you clear the screen?
Okay.
Let me use red.
All right. So number 34, yes?
It says the temperature of an object was taken and the thermometer read minus 16 degrees Celsius. What does it mean? 16 degrees. That means it's freezing. It means it's freezing.
Yes, I agree. Something that is below 0 degrees is definitely freezing. Like freezing.
0 to 10 is a cold temperature. Yes, even from 0 from 10 to 20.
But 0 to 10 is not freezing now. Do you understand? It's cold though, but it's not freezing. Do you get? Some people may not be able to stand it. I'm not saying that some people cannot stand it. Some people may not be able to stand it. But when you want to say real freezing starts from 0. Anything under 0 is what? The water remains as what? Ice, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But I understand what you're saying, that even from 0 to 10, that can be cold. I mean, for the human body, your body temperature is supposed to be around 27, 27, 30. Anything higher than that is most likely a fever. So
normal human temperature 37.
Is it not 27?
It's 27. 37 is a high fever. Hey! It's 37, John. Okay, let me go and ask.
Anyways, within that range, but I think 37 is kind of high, if you ask me. Okay, so is there an answer there that says that it's freezing?
It was frozen.
Okay, so choose that as your answer. Are you asking a question? Is it not is that you should have said is?
Is it the normal temperature? In the morning is 36, but the normal is just the average temperature is 37, not 27. It's 27.
Okay.
37. 27.
It's fine. No problem.
Not for baby you are. For human.
It's fine. 37 is okay. At least we've gotten clarity from Google. Okay. All right. So can we go on now? Number 35,
right? You can see Faith, I'm not even writing anything.
Faith, you've not been writing, Abby. Because you're the one that is
I've been writing since. Sir, she was writing, but you're not everything. Number 34. 34. 35 minutes.
Okay, right now. Let's wait for you. So are we done? 34 is very easy now. Just to say it's frozen. There's nothing to write there. You're not doing any calculation, are we? I favor, please. Let's not waste time here. I favor, over to you.
Do you have another class?
No, it's just okay. So there's light now, okay, and even though I have another class, it's in the evening, so it's not about whether I have another class. That's why I'm rushing. We have light now, so it's more convenient to use the light than to start looking for how to take the gen out and turn it on. All those things are kind of stressful. Tell me, are you not enjoying the class as it's morning now? You want to wait till when you are finished working, you're tired, you're everything. That's when you now want to start talking about math. Is it not better that you do it in the morning?
No, I don't like you when it's in the morning. I will have to rush my breakfast and I will not take second round of
Story.
But you
Rush
used
your
to start
breakfast.
taking second rounds of breakfast. Even me, I almost used to take 3.5 times of breakfast. Even 4.
Okay. Don't worry, you can still get your extra after class. Okay, number 35, please. Favor.
No, say that's past breakfast time.
Guy, this fate.
And so because she used to put plenty milk in our own milk, that's why and put small water so the thing will be very sweet.
I can imagine. I can just imagine. Okay, number 35, please.
It says find the value of C times Y times Z raised to power 2.
C times.
And there's some information here.
I know. Give me the expression first. C times what?
C times Y times
times
X
what?
raised to power 2.
Okay, times X raised to power 2. Okay, and then what's the other information they now gave us?
Then this thing here, you divide over.
Okay. Over what?
Over CZ.
Over CZ. Like this?
Yes.
Okay, that means over C times Z, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, now give us the value for C. C is equal to what?
2.
2, okay. Y is equal to what?
3.
3, okay. X is equal to what?
4. No X, so Z.
Hey. But when you are saying it now, I said X. I was repeating everything that you said, and you were saying yes. Oh yeah.
I said Z. So I don't know why you like to put dash on your Z.
So that it does not look like 2. As I'm writing, I can mistakenly write the Z and it will look like 2. And my mind will think that that is 2. And you know what I tell you about your mind and your hand working together? You can just mess up your work from there. So I don't like to confuse myself. I clearly write Z as like that. Oh yeah, next one. What's Z then?
Z equals to 4.
4, okay. Oh yeah, now this one is quite easy. So that's 2 times 3 times 16, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, divided by, don't worry, let me not write it like that. Let me write it like this. 2 times 3 times 16 over what? Over C times Z, 2 times 4. Okay, so this one is just substitution now. This is like baby maths, as we usually call it, right?
Oh, yes.
Is that not what you guys call it? See,
yes.
2 has cancelled itself already. 4 is taking itself out of 16, leaving us with 4 on top. All we're left with is 3 times 4, which is what? 12. So that's the answer.
But that's not what I did. I did 16 times.
I know. I know you guys start giving yourself homework, giving yourself this. Can you imagine 16 times 3 times 2? Can you imagine? See, as you went and started stressing yourself, just cancel.
No, I did 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times.
Can you imagine?
That
you
is
see?
obviously 90.
You see?
Divided by
Favor, can you see why Faith is always complaining that the time in the exam is not enough for her?
Yes, sir.
Because of this kind of thing. Can you imagine? Just joking.
I can imagine.
I was not there. I'm just joking.
Sir, even in the way we're doing this thing, because Faith was almost done, that's when they said that everybody should come out for a break, that they will give us something to eat. So we'll not go and fit in the exam. Faith, then she was still writing. She only spent 1 minute when they rang the bell. They give her 1 minute more.
Faith, you don't want to miss your food or for whatever it is that they're giving you for break. That day almost missed her. What does say that when they wanted to go and he said
Joy did not have any. Joy did not have any food.
Joy had the food. They gave her food.
Okay, yes.
Joy too finished last, Abby.
She was the last person to finish in the whole exam.
Yeah. I'm sure she will not allow that happen again. Okay, are we good with number 35? Let's go to number 36.
Sir, if you were one of our examiners, if you were an examiner, we go to that same place you are doing the examiner. If we see you there, what would you do?
Nothing. You just do your work.
Do as if we're invisible.
No, don't worry. I'll know that you are there, but we just expect you to do your best.
Okay. So if you now see our score and now say, this girl did not even try when I was explaining, they were writing, busy talking. High score for me now. Name of Jesus. Amen.
It's not just pray, Madam Faith. After you pray, walk. Okay.
I'm working with God.
Yes, I believe so too. Okay, number 36.
It says, a group of 8 friends. A group of 8. Said, this is too much. Even I want it for myself. 256 pieces of candy.
What is it? You've never seen people that like candy like you.
Yeah, I like candy. I can eat 1,000 candy one day.
I'll just advise you not to try it. Oh yeah, continue.
Yeah, don't try your teeth to remove all your camera, it will remove. Pieces of candy equally. How many pieces of candy will each friend get, and what place value of their
baby? You can imagine. And what?
I say, and what is the place value of the 10 in your answer?
Oh, so we can you see that the answer is not expected to even be a whole number? So they already know. They've already told you.
Sir, it's supposed to be a whole number.
No, but look at what they said now. What's the place value of what?
the place value of 10 in their answer. In your answer.
In the answer.
Answer is 30.
Okay.
The answer is 32. So the answer is 32. So they say the place value of 10. 10 is here. So it's going to
okay. Okay, I understand. Now. Okay. Okay. All right. So have you written it down in your book?
No. We are waiting for you to tell us to write it.
Ayana, right. Go ahead.
You don't write without your permission.
Go ahead. So is there an answer that says 30 there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm good to go.
Good to go. 32.
Okay, so I'm wiping off the screen now.
Okay.
Can I?
Daddy is right, that chop it.
Can I wipe it off?
He's right, Daddy.
I can clear the screen, right?
Sir,
okay.
I have a question. Oh, obviously.
What happened now? You did not say anything.
I wanted to say no worry, sir. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Oh, I don't say how.
Okay.
I don't say
all right. Okay, let's see if we can do one more question before we go on break for 10 minutes. Please, if people stay more than 10 minutes, I'll have you pull spank. Number 37, right?
Us, we have a spank. How come? We are the students because me too. I'm very busy. They don't mind now.
Better not be
handkerchief up and down.
Don't be busy. Oh yeah, 37.
How would they? A door opens at the angle. Kilo day.
Yes, go ahead. A door opens at an angle of what?
650 degrees. 600. I say 600. I say 600. 65 degrees.
65 degrees. Okay, so I am going. I don't know if
that is an accurate.
I don't know. Can you see this? Can you see the thing I'm drawing?
Yes, sir.
Does it look like a door that's swinging open?
Sir, this is
it looks like it, right? Okay, so now
what is saying is very fine, but to me, I'll give it 5.
Thank you for your generosity with your math.
But sir, Faith, she cannot even draw human being like herself. She will draw human being as if it's goat. Man. Man. Your own will have slim body. The hand will be like I think the person have muscle, but you will be drawing skinny woman with big muscle. Sure, you can draw it.
Okay. Now, can you see how me I'm analyzing this question that Favor just read? Yes, 65 degrees, right? So what's the next question?
The next question. Okay, the next question is what type of angle is that? Is this acute?
Hey. Oh yeah, let us catch them. Is it acute or obtuse or reflex?
Acute.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Who we not know is acute. If somebody say, I don't look at it like
this. Who we not know?
Acute.
Okay, now let's see if you remember. Okay, so what is the qualification for an angle to be called acute?
0 to 90 degrees is acute.
0 to what?
90 degrees is acute.
Okay.
90 to 180 is obtuse. Reflex. 180 to 360 is reflex angle. And the right angle triangle is 90 degrees. And the area of the right angle triangle is 180. And also
area of what? What did you just say? Area of a right angle triangle. Did you just say area of a right angle triangle? Let me know if I heard right. Are we still there? Okay, you're back. But your mic is muted.
Sorry, sir. See what Faith is opening now. Say you see it is there.
Faith.
Sir, that was I was trying to do it yesterday. I was trying to open WhatsApp on my laptop to link a device. I use my personal. See, is our ID.
Okay.
My mom is aware of it. My mom is aware.
I know.
She's aware.
So are you done with your what do you call it? Are you done with writing the number 37? Was it 37 that we stopped?
We wanted to start writing. Me, I've even written it. I've even written. Safet has written it.
Okay.
Safet has written it. Favor, copy my book. That should not just sit down there.
But Faith, you are not sharing your whole screen.
I will share it.
You are not sharing your entire screen.
I'm sharing this my entire screen sincerely. So I'm not lying. Actually, this is my entire.
But it's not. I'm not saying that you're lying, but I'm not seeing the taskbar. The taskbar is not showing. That taskbar will show whether your laptop is charging or not. You know, all those things. And we can easily avoid the system going off. So that we don't have a situation where your system just suddenly goes off.
Green. Fresh.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. Okay, but I'm still saying, can you minimize the WhatsApp so that better? Okay, so do you want me to write what I wrote down again?
Did you cancel my WhatsApp?
Just to say that 65 degrees is an acute angle, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the problem, Faith?
People dodge me a lot of and she has already cancelled my WhatsApp. Sorry, I didn't know.
You can open it again now. Which one is that she cancelled it? You can open it again. It's not. I will have to
verify it again. You not verify. When you went to go and share it, let me show you where you are going to share it.
You don't have to verify it again. It's there. What can we do? I think can we do one more question before we go on break?
You said this is the last question before we go on break. Break.
Oh yeah, go on break. You have 10 minutes. We're back here at 11:15. 11:15. Favor, yeah, saying hey, 11:15. You're back here. Do we understand?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, what are we going to do next? I know you're thinking LCM, right?
So this one you wrote X plus X blah 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 equals correct. Half plus 1/4 equals.
No.
X is also known as 1.
No. You can't assume that X is 1. You can't. I'm sorry. It's not right. They told you there's a number. They're asking you to find that number. You're now going to go and assume that the number is 1. Who does that? It's not right now. It's not even right. It's not even right mathematically. No, wait. Hold on. Faith. There's no problem if eventually the answer is 1. But for you to start concluding on the answer before we get the answer is wrong. That's what I'm trying to say. So please stick to it. Oh yeah, let's do this quickly. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 times x is what? 2x, right? Why are you drawing a line across my working, Madam Faith?
I did not draw a line. Hey! I not draw
you cannot see it. Is it that you cannot see what you just did? I don't understand. 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times x is x. So that we now have that 2x plus x is what? 3x over 4. So this is the next step. 3x over 4 is know what to do in this kind of scenario. What am I going to do next? I'm looking for x. What should I do next? Who can tell me? Yes, I'm waiting. Faith.
I'm going to divide both sides by 3 over 4.
Thank you. You divide both sides by 3 over 4. Excellently said. I like that. So if I divide both sides by 3 over 4, I have it that x is equal to what? 60 divided by 3 over 4, right?
Yes, sir. And it's known as x.
Which is the same thing as what? 60.
It's the same thing as 60 times 4 over 3.
Excellent. I like that. Thank you, Favor, for getting us to the promised land. She's right now. She's right. She's not talking like some people who are trying to take us into the bush yesterday. You know, they know themselves. Why are you pulling Favor's ear? Is it not? She knows we're talking about her. Oh yeah. So what should we do?
Let's go to the big bush.
It's Faith I'm talking about now. Okay, so we have that 3 will go in itself 1 time, right?
Yes.
3 will go into 60 20 times, and then 20 times 4 will give us what?
20 times 4. 20 times 4 is 80.
80. So we can conclude that therefore x is equal to what? 80.
Sir.
Okay. Yes, please.
How would that 80 now change to 60? The 80 is bigger than that 60.
Yes, that's the more reason now. It has to be bigger. Okay. You get it now. Half of 60, is it not 30?
Yes, sir.
1/4 of 80, is it not 1 over 4 times 80? Is it not 20? No, sorry. Half of 80. I'm mixing it up. Sorry, my bad. Half of 80, is it not 40?
Yes.
1/4 of 80, is it not 20? 40 plus 20, is it not 60?
Yes, sir.
So it agrees. But you know that by now, I'm sure people have developed enough to know that whenever you do your algebra right, there's no need to go and start checking again, because checking can take your time. But like I said, if you have time, extra time, at the end of doing all your work, you can go and be doing checking if you want. But don't.
So I finished the common entrance, the mock exam you wrote. I finished 10 minutes fast.
Okay. Did you use that 10 minutes to check your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So because checking your work is just you trying to make sure that you get more answers correctly, and that's what will make your marks high enough. Okay, that's some mistakes.
That's how I got 141. I was supposed to get 130, but I checked it.
Wow. That's good. Okay. So are we done writing? Let's go ahead and write, please.
But sir, someone here has slipped away.
Where? Faith. If I catch you.
Sir,
when I told you to, where did she go to? I told her to go. Yes, you went to crash. I did not take any exam.
Sir, Faith is not acting like it was their face.
You didn't say that you are going to trash
I don't want to
anything.
disturb you while you're
Really?
explaining.
And aren't you supposed to be listening?
Anyway, I know the thing before.
Oh yeah, sit down and write. Oh, sit down and write. I've already told you guys to write, so you should be writing by now.
Survival is almost done, and Faith, I'm not. This rose.
I know she has not started. Faith, quickly sit
Yeah,
down and write.
anywhere. She's still in number 37. So I'm not reaching number 38. Talking less of it.
Faith, please sit down and write. I'm waiting for you.
See, they're going to drink water to get that. Sir. Sir.
Yes, Favor.
Sir, please, sir, I want to ask this question.
Okay, go
Must
ahead.
you force a child on what they do not want?
I don't know where you're going to.
Same, me too. I also saying that should they force me? Me too in school, they used to force me that I should change my handwriting. But my handwriting, I'm already gotten too used to it. So I cannot really stop it. Same, this is my handwriting, I cannot stop it. And they will say I should change it. Me, I don't know.
Okay. So you know why they're telling you to change it? It's so that people, when they see your handwriting, it will be
no,
a bit
her handwriting is hard. Let me write her handwriting. Let me write it for you. It is very fine.
It's not about it being very fine. Is it legible enough? Do you know what it means for your handwriting to be legible?
Yes, very legible. Very legible.
Okay, so some schools I know, what they do is that they tell that their students or their pupils do not join your letters. Is that what you guys do in your school?
We join letters very well. Even our teacher join letters. They don't care if you join letters or not.
Okay.
Even if
then do they insist on?
Do you know the word?
Do you know the handwriting called Nelson handwriting?
Yes, I'm the one that have Nelson handwriting.
Okay. So I think that's what they want people to just develop, like that kind of handwriting that, even if you are.
I am my friend. We have Nelson handwriting. So
and
they used to
Nelson, no, not one kind of Nelson that is, half Nelson and half something else.
No, it's real Nelson. My own is also Nelson.
Okay.
See it now and see your own Nelson.
So why are your teachers telling you to change your own Favor?
I don't know, because it's too my own grade. Because my own grade 4 own, they liked it very well. But me, since I used to go to grade 5, any class I go to, I must change my handwriting. So
why? Why do you have to change your handwriting? If your handwriting was okay in grade 4, why do you have to change it?
Same handwriting I used for in grade 3, they said I should change my handwriting because my handwriting was very bad and I knew. I changed it, and when I got to grade 4, I was using it. Now, in grade 5, they said that I should not change it again.
Okay, I understand what you're saying now. I understand. It's fine. Okay, so I think I'll just say, because handwriting is a major part of your expression, like you communicating to somebody via what you're writing down. So I think they have a point. So don't see it as if they're trying to force you to do something that's against your will. Just understand where the person is coming from and then adjust if you can. I understand handwriting is something that, especially when you're in a hurry, it's hard for you to stick to something. But there's a way that you can become so used to writing it in a particular format. Even if they woke you up from sleep, it's the same way you write, So I don't know. But then just do your best so that it's not as if you are ignoring your teachers or something.
I've tried and tried to change my handwriting. But if I have to change it, I have to turn my head, my neck, my whole body to another degree, 160 degree. Oh my God. And it used to make me very slow. For only writing letter T, I will take almost 2 or 3 minutes.
Hey, you serious? Okay, don't worry. I'm sure it's going to be easier when next we try it. Okay, can we go to number 39 now?
Yes, sir. This is which one? It says, what type of shape has 4 right angle and equal opposite sides? That is a rectangle.
Okay. Yes, I agree with that. It's a rectangle. Now, do you know what I was thinking about when you were reading this question? Faith, I want you to listen to me carefully. As Favor was reading this question, do you know that even a square meets the requirements of this thing that Favor just read? Do you agree with me?
Yes. Child, when Favor read it, me too, I thought of it. I thought of a rectangle triangle. Over the so when Favor read, I thought of
which
a
one is rectangle triangle?
But
How?
until Favor read the last one. No, until Favor read the last part. So I just said,
How many? Hold on, Faith. Let me take you up on what you just said. How many right angles does a right angle triangle have? Talk to me now. How many? Is it not only one?
Yes.
You're not answering again. It's only one now. Favor said clearly 4 right angles. 4. And you're talking about right angle triangle didn't even cross my mind. It's square that I was thinking about. And if you see in some I don't know, I don't want to say some books, but yeah, I've seen it somewhere where they said a square is actually a type of a rectangle. But you know, all this is to avoid confusing it. Let's just understand that square has equal opposite sides. So for you to say the opposite sides are equal, it really makes it sound as if if all sides are equal, and then of course opposite sides will definitely be equal. If all the 4 sides are equal, it still meets the criteria for what a square is. So yes, in many ways you can say it's rectangle. Is there any other option that seems to say something like that square is the answer? Then we'll now have a problem there. I think square is not there, right?
They put one very incorrect answer, and it's close to it answer that she said right angle triangle. Instead of the right angle triangle is a triangle.
So it can't even be. Please, Faith, don't even think in that direction. Just because they say right angle. When she said 4, it should cancel out of your mind anything that has to do with right angle triangle. Okay, so please write the answer. Let's go to number 40.
Number 40 said, what is the now, I'm not yet done.
Faith, you're not yet done. When people were writing, what were you doing?
Sir, you did not, you just said now we should write. Done.
Please, Favor, go ahead.
Sir, which number are we going to stop at? No, number 40.
Go ahead.
What is the probability of letter E and T in sweet?
Okay.
No.
This is again where I'm going to catch some people. Probability of what? E and what?
T. E and T.
E and T in the word
sweet.
Sweet. Okay. Okay, thank God that there's nothing like oral maths. If not, we would have had to be asking ourselves. There are two words that sound like sweet in English. Who knows the two words? Who knows the spelling? Yes. Yes.
S-W-E-E-T. Sweet.
S-W-E-E-T. Correct. Second one. What's the second one?
Sweet. S-W.
No.
It's T-W-E-E-T.
No. That sounds like sweet. Okay, so you guys should go and do homework. This is the word. S-U-I-T-E. Okay. Like a hotel suite or something. So do your homework. I think these two words have a name in English. They are called homonyms. They sound alike.
They sound the same.
Have you done homonyms? Have you done homonyms in English?
Yes, is our who is that again? Is our headmistress. I used to teach us English, but she has taught us in grade 4. We've not even done it in grade 5.
Okay, good. Do you want to do it in grade 5 again?
But I've done it in grade 5. I don't mind how to do.
Okay. All right. So please be clear on this, that this is not the one that the question is talking about. I hope you know that. Are we together?
Yes, sir. Give me my thing.
Abi, Favor, you're the one that read it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Which one was the question talking about? Is it not this one?
Yes, sir. This. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now who can remind us of the formula for probability? Faith, stop annotating and answer the question. What's the formula for probability?
The formula of probability is P open bracket E close bracket N over event taking.
Are you guessing? Because I've not heard anything that you said though. Please, Faith, remove that thing that is there. I want to write a formula there. It's not sweet. I want to write
P open bracket events.
Yes, Favor, you have not said anything.
I said P open bracket event.
She's still saying the same thing, and she doesn't say, after she says event, she doesn't go anywhere beyond that. See why I usually say you should be reading your books after class. If you had done this after that class that we saw probability, probability, funny enough, probability questions don't even show up so many times in all the ones we've done.
Correct.
So anytime it shows up, you should look for every opportunity to do what? Remind yourself about it. Please, I'm writing it down again. Number of required events. Oh yeah, let me see who can remember.
A number required event over number of possible events.
Number of what?
Possible events.
Thank God, though. Somebody has remembered. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Okay. So number of possible events, correct. Okay, so now what is the number of required events in this particular question? Yes, Faith.
The number required required is T, and number possible is A.
I don't agree. Please. Let me ask the question this way. When they say number of required, what does that mean? What's it referring to?
Number required means how many number they have given.
No,
how many numbers are needed. Are needed by what? By possible events.
No. number of required events is simply whatever the question is asking you, right? In this question, according to how Favor read it, what's the probability of what? Favor, please read it again so that we will clearly hear it the way you read it.
What is the probability of letter E and T? Letter E and T. Sweet.
Letter E and T in what?
Sweet.
Okay, good. So that means, in other words, number of required events is talking about how many, what's the probability of, or how many E's and T will you find in sweet. Now, I want to say something here. Whenever they put and in probability, it usually implies something. Multiplication. What did I say?
It usually implies something. Multiplication.
Who was it that just said multiplication? Because that was not all I said.
They just said multiplication. Faith, you said multiplication. Which means say multiplication.
Yes. Faith, I think Faith read it, said everything I said. Favor, you're the only one that just said multiplication. It wasn't only multiplication I said. I said, whenever you see...
You said Faith is saying following me. That's why now look and see with me. Anyway, language kind like that.
Don't worry, Faith. I heard you. So, probability of E. So, the question now is this. How many E's are there in the word sweet? How many E's are there in the word sweet? Oh, yeah, I want to hear. Yes?
2 E's.
Thank you very much. There are 2 E's. So, in other words, when we're looking at just E alone, the number of required events is what? 2, right? Number of possible events. How many letters are there in the word sweet? You know, possible events is just everything. How many letters are there in the word sweet? Talk to me. Yes?
3. I mean 5.
Thank you. It's 5, please. So I understand. You don't want to count the E 2 times because it happened 2 times. No, you have to count everything. Okay. Then probability of T. Can you see how I'm doing it? I'm separating them. Probability of T, number of required events is equal to what? How many T's are there in sweet?
How many E's are there in
T. How many T's? T, letter T.
There only one T.
Thank you. There's just one. So 1/5, right?
Yes. And sir, can you see Faith? Faith is here playing, and she's now she put bead inside her mouth and using her saliva to mix it and rubbing it on my clothes.
Faith, please behave yourself. That's the last one I'm giving you, please. Just behave yourself. Probability, so therefore, probability of E and T, according to what I just said now about, what do you call it? And being multiplication is going to be what? 2/5 times 1/5, right?
Yes.
Now,
that is going to be
that's going to be what?
2/5.
2/5 or 2/25?
I mean 2/25.
Okay. Now, I'm just hoping that question. So, could you check, is there any option that has that in your question? Any option like that? Favor, please help us check.
No.
What are the options? Read out the options for us.
1/2. 1/18. Sorry. So
go ahead.
Only because I reported Faith is now removing it and saying that I should leave her alone when I'm saying the something.
Favor, go ahead. Oh.
Okay. 1/2, 1/18, and 1/3, and 1/9.
1/9. Okay, so now you know That's why I asked you, are you sure this word is the word that they have there?
Yes, sir.
That's sweet.
SWEET.
Probability
But
of
the
E.
answer, you made a mistake.
Where did I make the mistake?
This was
supposed to be what?
This side you wrote times is supposed to be divide. It's a bigger.
Oh my God. I'm just looking at you. Please don't change what I've written. I'm begging you. It's times. And it's times.
She's correct though.
Probability and is times. And the or, whenever you see or, it's addition. So I don't know. I guess that question is subject to closer inspection. So anyway, what can we take away from this, right? Let's just understand the concept that I've expressed here, okay? That whenever you have and in probabilities, multiplication, then the formula for probability, number of required events over number of possible events. Like I said, the question is, it's possible that the way they even asked it, is questionable. So let's just leave it at that. But everything I've said here, as per the formula and the concept for multiplication, whenever you see and, is correct. Okay, so please, let's not forget it. And then remember that or is addition and is multiplication. All right, so just take note of it. Just take note of it. Then let's go to number 41 so that we can make progress. Who is sneezing? Faith.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, please, sir, is it a bad thing for somebody to report somebody and now Faith is not angry with him? It's just like
Don't worry, she'll be fine. Okay, so I'm wiping up the whole screen now. Should I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Favor, number 41, please.
You finished.
Oh yeah, go ahead, go ahead. Faith, leave that thing on paint now. What is the problem? Leave it on paint.
I don't press like Control Z.
Which one is Control Z?
Sir, if you should ask him was. Yeah, she pressed Control Z.
Control Z made paint to minimize. Is that what you're telling me?
My laptop is very sensible.
I see.
So just give me a minute, sir. Please just give me a minute.
A minute for what? Faith, you don't have any minute. No minute, please.
To check something, so that's simple.
She wants to do what? You have 1 minute. That's all. Favor, how many questions do we have left? Your mic is muted, though. Your mic is muted. I can't hear you.
So I'll say only 10. And when we are going to 41, that to make it 9 more.
Okay. All right. Let's go ahead. Favor, Faith, please sit down well so that you can proceed. All right, Favor, over to you. Favor, over to you.
Okay, so that is number 41.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Let me see.
Yes, go ahead.
Let me see. Let me see. Can't I not see? Number 41. Hey! It says using the scale 1 centimeter equals 5 kilometers. So on a map, what will be the scale drawing for 25.5? I know. So that is going to be 5.1. The answer is 5.1. So this one they said 25.5.
25.5 what?
They said how much would this one is 1 cm. They said how much would it be in this one in cm? This one is km. No, this one is km.
km. Okay, this one is km. Okay, so it's division. Yes, you're right. It will be division. So 25.5 divided by 5. Yes. So that's 5.1. Okay, you can write that in your book. Yeah, you can write it in your book. You're correct.
I'm very happy we're almost done. 1 cm, 255 km.
Okay, number 42.
The paper is not done.
Are you done?
Yes, sir.
You have been writing, really? You that have been annotating.
I'm done. I'm going to write the division one. You are just writing this one. Let me see. Stop. Well, you can see it's a bit
Faith, sit up, sit right.
It is tickling me.
I have Favor. Next question.
He said a square rock is 15 of 15 centimeters. What is the 1/5 of its perimeter? 1/5 of its perimeter.
Okay, so I think we discussed this thing yesterday. A square rock. So what's the formula for perimeter of a square? Who can remember?
All sides to be added. That is the
yes. All sides are equal. So by the time you add L 4 times, what will be the formula for perimeter?
So L plus L plus L plus another.
Did I ask you to do it again? I just asked a question. What is the formula for perimeter? I expected you just tell me 4L. Which one is L plus L plus L again? Oh yeah. So if we know that perimeter is equal to 4L, therefore 4 times 15 is what?
4 times 15 is 4 times 15 is 60.
Good. So now they said 1/5 of the perimeter. So that's going to be 1/5 of 60 cm. So that's 60 over 5. That's what?
12.
Thank you very much. So 1/5 of 60 of is times is 12. So please go ahead and write.
Done.
Done?
Yes.
Okay.
My
Favor, are you done?
No, sir. Country. Let me go to line and draw.
Okay, thank you, Faith. So number 43 is the next one up for consideration. Favor, I'm waiting for you.
I've drawn a very straight line.
Yes, I noticed. It's good.
No, that one I've been moving to the side. To the left. Left.
Yes, Favor.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. So just give us a minute. Let's see.
Again. You want to change your seat?
No, we are hearing. Who is calling?
All right. Favor.
Yeah.
Faith, please sit down.
I need to charge my laptop.
Okay, the laptop battery is low. Is it that low?
It is too easy. That side it is. It is too high. 50 something. I don't like it when it has passed something like 60. See, it's already low. It's showing red.
It's showing red where? It's only you that is seeing that red. There's nothing red.
Yeah, people were seeing the red. Favor.
Really? Story. Please, Favor, please continue reading. Number 43.
Number 43. It says, move your hand, child. Yes. Number 43 says, what is the 4 countries ago? Centuries, not countries. I mean, what is the 4 centuries ago? What year was it 4 centuries ago?
Okay, 4 centuries. What is 1 century before?
400 years. 100, so it's 400.
Thank you. So 4 centuries ago is what? 400 years, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, so subtract 400 years. And now you have to be careful because, okay, so which year is this? You said the year that they wrote the exam was what? 2005, right?
Sir, sir, it is.
Hold down now. Let's answer the question. Cool down first. It was 2005 that question was done, right?
Yes.
Okay, should we assume that it is this year, 2026?
Yes. No,
let's do the correct thing. We will not see the answer, right? We will not see the answer.
Let's do 2026.
Okay, 2005. So now, 100 years from 2005 is what? Who can tell me?
100. 400 years from 2005 is 60.
No, I said 100. Let's start with 100 first.
So 19 what? Take our time.
No. Okay, you want to just subtract. Oh, yeah, no. Go ahead.
The answer is 1625.
1625.
That was early days of our forefathers. That's when my my great
Is it that long?
Great.
It's not that long. It's not that long.
It's long. 400 years. That's a lot. It must be great.
So that's 1605. Hey! Did you say 1625 or 1605?
1625. Sorry, not 2005. It's 2025. Not 2000.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hey, so it was 2025 people said yesterday, and hey, Faith, it was you that said this thing. No? It was you that said it. I remember. You're the one that told me 2005.
I not say I said 2025. I don't say 2005.
Okay, no problem. I don't hear you.
That's where we get the trouble from.
Okay, so yes, 1625. Is there an option there that says 1625?
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you written it down? Let's go to number 44. Yes, Favor.
40 is 400.
Did I write 40 anywhere?
Yes, yeah, you wrote 40. I had to help you to write the second zero. Yes, sir.
I see. Okay, no problem. I wrote 400. I think when I was doing erasing, I mistakenly erased the 0. But no problem. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Are we done? Can we go to number 44?
It's not a computer you're doing.
Faith.
No, sir.
Yes, Favor.
Almost done.
Okay.
But I'm still writing the last notes that we're writing.
Faith, why are you raising your leg like that, for goodness sake?
Don't mind that. She's the old one. I'm not old one. That's what they used to call you in class. You are not yet. I'm doing that. If I've called you old man already.
Please do not raise your leg like that before you fall down. Did you hear me?
Thank you, sir. We should do like.
No, it's not now. It's not in class. You should, if you want to stretch, you stand up and stretch. Is that okay?
I'm not stretching.
I said, if you want to stretch, you stand up and stretch. You want to do exercise. It's not now. You should be doing it. Oh yeah, Favor 44. Faith, you're not listening to me. I said stop that thing that you're doing.
44, it says from the Venn diagram.
Okay.
How many children wore black and white headbands?
Okay. Are you sure? Please. Oh yeah. I'm guessing there are only 2.
So this is how the Venn diagram is.
Black and white.
Like this, so.
Okay. I've already drawn it now. Just fill up the values. The
white side that is on your left hand, that is Euro B.
Yes.
B, that way Euro B, it's supposed to be W, that is 21. And where you wrote W is 10.
Okay. Oh, it's okay. Let's just put it as it is. Don't worry. You understand? It's still the same thing.
So the middle is 6.
Okay.
The answer is 6. Who wore black and white headbands equals 6 are in the middle.
The answer is 6.
45.
Did they say black and white only?
No, not only. No, only black and white headbands.
Okay. No problem. It fixed.
A satellite. Sir, I have a question. What does satellite do for us?
Okay, so there are different things. So I'm sure you must have heard of the guy called Elon Musk, right? He owns a company, SpaceX.
I don't know Elon Musk.
Basically, what he does is that they set up satellites in space for different things. One of the things they use satellites for is to help spread internet. Okay, so there are some times when internet access, they want it to get to different parts of the world easily, and satellites, because of the way satellites is in space, it can easily reach other parts of the world. Another reason for satellites is for television. Okay, so those signals that they want to use to spread the news, entertainment, and all that is through satellites that they do it. Satellites also monitor weather. They can be used for security purposes. They can be used. You know your Google Map. Do you know Google Map?
Mm.
You know about Google Map, right, Faith?
I use them all the time. Mostly
You use them all the time. Okay, like when you are trying to
yeah.
find your way to somewhere, right?
Yes, sir.
How do you think Google Map was developed?
I don't
It's
know.
through,
I just think that
it's
they
through,
know the Google Map
yes.
is a no
Mm-hmm.
all no wide world that is just
Yes,
directing me
yes,
directing.
yes. But it is facilitated, it is made possible by satellites. If you don't have satellites, imagine how would you be able to stay high above the earth and see everywhere, and know where something is or the particular location something is. So satellites are very, very useful. So go ahead with your question, Favor.
So my question is that how will the person how will the person here? How will the person be able to go to space and say that he wants to go and find satellite and go to satellite?
I don't understand your question. How will the person do what? Go to space and
No,
do what?
I'm meaning that how will the satellite fly in space? How would it fly? Is it flying or it just staying half gravity?
Okay. Yes, I think let me see if I understood your question. So you see, you are very, very right. If you jump up now, anybody that jumps up or you throw an object up, it will come back down, isn't it? So that is the reason why, like I said, you can do this research later or not now. Elon Musk company uses rockets to shoot those satellites into space. And why do we have rockets? Why? Because those rockets will help to overcome gravity, and they will get to a point where gravity will no longer hold them back. That's when the rocket will release the satellite that has delivered it. Do you understand?
Okay.
So once it gets to that point, gravity cannot pull it back down. Favor, do you understand?
Yeah.
So yes, that's why you see them, they will be floating. Gravity is not holding them again, you know. So that's how it happens.
But sir, if gravity holds them, what will happen to that satellite?
It will crash now.
Anyway.
It will crash because gravity, anything gravity acts on, it pulls it to itself, pulls it to the middle of the earth, and that means that it will crash.
Anyway. So what if I make a satellite? So if I grow up and I want to be a scientist, I go to a science lab, and that lab there, like if it's a secondary school lab now I'm going to the lab. I want to study some things there. I want to study how to do plenty chemistry things. And what if now? And I was the best person, the best student in science. And I got an award. So I can build a satellite. If that satellite works, would they give me money for building the satellite, or they will just say thank you for building the satellite and they will say I should go? No, they will give you an award. They say if you're a scientist and do very big things, they will give you call you from another country to give you an award.
So Faith is right. You most likely get an award, and then yes, the monetary part too can come in because satellites add value. I just told you some of the things that satellites can be used for. Those people who their TV stations are being taken around the world by satellite signals, they pay heavily. I'm not talking about cheap money. They pay heavily for that. Internet too is also on the high side, because when you see satellite options for internet, they're usually expensive. You can, yes, you can find out subscriptions for this. They call
I
it.
can go to Temu and I can go and buy
I've
food.
forgotten that product, but it's also a product for internet usage, but it's
Okay, sir.
expensive.
Please, sir, can we, if can we see it those sources? When we finish class, I can go to
Yes,
Temu
well,
on
after
my
class
laptop.
you can
I can go
find
to
out all that.
I can go to
Mm.
Temu on my laptop and go and buy satellite. Jesus. Hey.
Oh yeah, let's come back to
What would
math.
the
We're doing
purpose
math.
of
I'm not talking
that
about satellite. Finish your question about satellite, Favor.
satellite? So my question about the satellite, it says a satellite dish has a diameter of 14 centimeters. Find its area. Hey!
Wow.
You should use open bracket pi equals 32/7 close brackets is over.
Okay. Okay, so now, so do you see, can you even see, we were talking about satellites. Meanwhile, this question was talking about satellite dish. Have you seen a satellite dish before?
Never, ever,
You have,
ever.
you have. Have you seen DSTV dish? That dish for DSTV. Have you seen it?
Yes.
What do you think DSTV dish is? It's satellite now. You don't know?
Hey!
Yes, yes. But okay, now let me draw this thing I'm drawing. I want to draw one that looks like the one that we used to see those days, those big ones that, have something like that. They have this thing, like just something like this. So this is a satellite dish. Can you see that it's a circle? Faith, please minimize that thing. I told you are not doing anything now. Leave this thing. We're not researching anything now. We just want to focus on the math. You can do the research later. So now they told you from this question that Favor just read, it's a circle. Oh. I hope you know that.
Huh? It looks like a dish. It looks inside like a dish.
Yes, it's the circle. If you look at it from the front, it's a circle. Now, please, Favor, tell us what's the radius of that circle. Radius is equal to what?
Radius. There's no radius. No radius is diameter.
Okay, they gave us the diameter. Okay, good. Okay, so the diameter is equal to what?
14.
14. Okay, so if the diameter is 14, 14 what? cm or what?
cm, and it said find its area.
Okay, good. And now they're asking us for area. What's formula for area of a circle?
Area of the circle.
Yes.
Area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r square. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much for remembering that. Pi r squared. So now they've given us diameter. Does that not mean that we should find that radius from the diameter?
Yes, sir.
So what is radius if diameter is 14 centimeter?
Radius is 7.
Thank you very much. Radius is 7. That's 14/2. Okay, please, let's not forget this thing. So diameter is 2 times radius. Radius is diameter divided by 2. So now that we know that our radius is 7, and they've given us that pi is 22/7, right? So can we develop our equation? That's going to be what? 22/7 times what?
Is pi r square. So 7 square. We do 7 square.
Yes.
Which is known as 49. So we do
Okay.
49.
Okay. So Faith, are you going to now do 49 times 22?
Over 2 times 22. Over 7.
Where did you get over 2 again? I just know that we will not follow you into that bush that you want to go.
Amen.
So 7 in 49 is 7. 7 times 22 is 154. So that's the, oh, sorry, this is area, not circumference.
7 times 22 equals 154. 154.
Don't forget that it is cm squared, right?
Yeah. CM.
Okay. All right. Okay, you can
What
write.
is the answer?
Okay. 154 now, cm squared. Was it not just the area they asked for? Favor. Oh, yeah, quickly write. Let's go to number 46. I'm going to wipe off the screen very, very soon.
Chapter 46.
Okay, 46.
Oh, Jesus, okay. Sir, don't clean anything. Sir, I think I'm not writing anything. He's writing nonsense. What did I do? She only wrote this area equals pi r, nothing, anything, the formula.
Please write down everything quickly. I'm waiting for you now.
Sir, Faith is not saying I'm not a friend. Don't be.
Don't mind her. She let her not be your friend. After the exam on Saturday, she will be your friend. Well, if we have to get her to do what she's supposed to do, she will not be our friend now, but she will be our friend after Saturday.
Yeah, way. So I want to ask a question. Don't touch my computer. You made an error here. In this radius equals 14 over 2, diameter equals 14.
What was the error?
Okay, sorry.
Okay, so can I go ahead and wipe off everything?
Oh, my, it equals 22, 7 times 49 over 1. My opinion is no. No, let me see. You think I'm joking? Good now. No! 5, 2, 4, 6, meters square.
I didn't clean it off. Who cleaned it off?
It's Faith.
Faith, well done. That's how you want to play. You want to play being unfair, right?
Yes. So what is clean unfair?
Being unfair. That's what I said.
Being unfair. How
is that
come? How come? She was she was doing it. I said I was almost done. I was right. I was here at the last part. She not clean it, and I said, "Wait." No, I know clean it. She was writing 154. She wanted to write. She was writing square. She not saying no way. She's writing square already. She finished. No, I am not. Why are you lying? Leave me alone. Lie.
I have Favor. Let's go to the next one, number 46.
Okay, sir. Number 46. It now says find the value of x in 7x equals 2x plus 15.
7x plus 2x.
Plus 15.
Equals what?
That's all. Then I put full stop.
No, there's a problem here. Please.
Check
the question well. Check the question well. 7x plus 2x.
I said 7 equals 2x plus 15.
Oh. Favor.
Sir?
I didn't hear you now. You should try and be okay. Don't worry, it's not your fault. I think maybe you were audible enough, but I didn't hear you well. Okay, So 7x equals 2x plus 15. So what are we going to do in this? What's the first thing we do? Faith.
Collect like terms.
Thank you very much. CLT, right? That's our acronym for collect like terms. So when you collect like terms, what will happen? Favor.
It will be you want to be
which one will go to meet which? Which one will go to meet which?
This 2x is going to meet this 7x.
7x. Thank you very much. So that would be 7x. What next? Minus. Thank you. Because the when it was on the other side, it was actually plus, isn't it? Okay. Equals what? 15, right? So yes. 7x minus 2x is what?
5x. 5x divided by 15 equals 3. Answer simple.
Are you sure? 5x divided by 15.
I mean divide both sides by 15. I mean divide both sides by 5.
Thank you. Thank you for correcting yourself immediately. Okay. So there we go. 5 and 15 is what? 3. So x is equal to what? 3. So you can write. This question was quite simple.
Yes, sir.
I think they're just encouraging you that this is towards the end of the exam. So let's just give people simple questions.
I thought we do not have anybody as a friend in Ireland today. No, I talk to you. You talk to yourself. My name has changed to child. Hey! Sir.
Yes, Favor.
But I've not written anything yet that she's calling sir.
Faith, please write. So if you don't write, I'm not going to allow you to annotate next time because you come and be telling me that because you are annotating. That's why you're not writing.
Because she's the one that you sent on annotation.
Don't give me that excuse.
But sir, she did not annotate though. But she's the one that you put on annotation method.
Yeah, I know. Okay, can we go on to number 47 now?
7. You know what for you. Okay.
Faith, are you done writing?
Want to get finished?
Okay. I am 47.
Sir, I said that no, shall not finish.
Okay, sorry.
No. I will give you
Sir, number 47.
Okay.
Faith, are you done? Sir, Faith is not yet done.
Okay.
Give me my book. Since you're not my friend, give me my book now. The book remembers our friendship. Since you're not my friend again, give my book. I said you are not my friend. I said to my own mouth. Don't say what you don't know. I'm just angry because I'm hungry. That's how you act like that. I know when you're angry, not my friend. Yeah, give me the video. An orange has a radius. An orange has a radius of 3.5 centimeters. What is the volume? 20.
Come again with that.
It says an orange has a radius of 3. 3.5 centimeter. What
Hmm.
is its volume? Pi
Wow.
equals 22/7, close brackets.
Hmm. Okay. So now, did you notice something? What shape is an orange? Who can
Like
tell me?
it's fair.
Thank you. It's like a sphere. In fact, in most cases, it's a proper sphere. Now, what is the formula for volume of a sphere? You can tell
Wait.
me. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Oh, you do not know that sphere has volume?
Mm.
Eh? Is there anybody that is saying a way they don't know that sphere has a volume? Hmm?
Half.
Yes. Anybody wants to try? Okay, don't worry. I think this is the first time we're probably seeing a question like this. So volume of a sphere is given by 4/3.
4/3 equals
Uh-huh.
22 over
4/3 equals what?
4/3 pi r raised power, square is cubed.
Okay. All right. So let's do this. So that's going to be 4/3 times pi. I think they said pi should be 22/7, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 22/7. Now, you have to be careful with that 3.5 that they said should be in 3 places. So that's 3.5 times 3.5 times what?
Sir, it's very easy. 4/3 times 22 over 7
4/3 times what?
times 22/7 times 10.5.
Eh?
3.5 times. No.
Okay, how? No, I would like to hear what you said. Explain to me, how do you want to do it? Go ahead now. Is it Favor that is talking on Faith?
It's Madam Faith. And
Faith,
she's there
what did you
drawing
say?
it.
Okay, Faith does not want to talk again. No problem. So see what I see if I were to solve this question, this is what I'm going to do. I'll first take on this 7, 7 in itself, 1. 7 in the first 3.5 is what? 0.5, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, who can remember that thing I told people about numbers who their last digit is 5? Who can remember? That thing I told you about when a number, like, okay, let me give you an example. Like 15 times 15. Who can remember what I said about that kind of thing when we're doing mental maths? I'm just showing you ways that you can be fast too. Of course, if you want to multiply 3.5 by 3.5, you can multiply it. But we're talking about our speed now. Who can tell me what I said about this? Numbers that their last digit is 5. Yes?
Numbers that your last digit is 5. That means the last number is going to end with 5 something.
Is it 5 or 25?
I mean 25.
Okay. What next did I now say?
Then that one here, you plus
Yes.
it together. That is making it 2. They add it.
Okay.
That is 225.
Then I multiply it, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So what Favor said, you add 1 to 1, or not, in other words, ask yourself, what's the next number after 1? And then you multiply it by that number, and then you put that your answer in front. That's 225. So in the case of 3.5, let's first get what 35 will be. 35 will be what? 35 squared. It will end with 25, right? Faith, are you watching? Pay attention. So what's the next thing? 3. What's the next number after 3?
3 times 3, 9.
What's the next number after 3? Is it not 4?
4.
So 4 times 3 is what?
4 times 3 is 12.
12. So that's 1225. Now 3.5 times 3.5, because of the decimal point, how many numbers are after the decimal point altogether? 2. Okay, so that means it's going to be 12.25. Okay, so in other words, we have quite a situation on our hands. Anyway, the truth is that there are some numbers that which you cannot just avoid. I have 4 times 22. Even the 3 did not help us. I have 88 times, let's see. I was just trying to do, as something that will make it fast for us. Okay, so I've not given up. You guys should just watch what I'm doing to help myself make this thing faster as much as possible. 12.25, right? I hope you guys are following.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes when you're doing some work in mathematics, you can have that tendency of leaving some numbers behind. Please don't fall for that. Now, what are we going to do next? Look carefully at this. 0.5 is also half, right? Is 0.5 not half?
Yes.
Has somebody seen what I'm about to do? Half of any number, half times a number is the same thing as half of that number. So I just have 44 times what? 12.25. Do you think 3 can go in 12.25? Do you see that possibility? I don't. No, it's not. It's 5 that would have been the perfect candidate. Can somebody see what I did? Favor, can you see what I did?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what should I do next? Who can tell me what they will do next in this scenario? What would they do next? Faith, what would you do if you were in this scenario? What would you do?
Times these things together. Then when you stand still, then divide it by these 3.
By 3, right?
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
Looks like we don't have a shortcut for that. We have to just multiply by 44. Okay, so but the good thing is that the 4 is down. It's the 44, they are down, right?
Yes, sir.
So Faith, over to you. Faith.
This year is 0.
Faith, is it not you I'm calling now?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
8, 4 in.
Favor, are you the one that is making this mistake? You are still making the mistake in front of me. 4 times 5 is 20. 0 carry 2. 4 times 2, 8. You are still writing 8 there. You've forgotten your 2.
Sorry, sir. That one. Before you hear this now. Now. Who be first?
Where is Faith?
Faith is she doing. You don't know what happened to me.
Faith. Please sit well, quickly.
Faith, you know here. What did you hear? Then sit well. Oh God.
So, Favor, what I'm seeing here, I have 4,900, right? Right?
Yeah,
so rearrange it now. Is that what you wanted to do? Okay. All right. I have Faith. Faith will do the division. Faith, over to you. Faith, finish up the division. Now, Favor, did you notice that that thing gave us 539.00? So
yes,
the 0.00 is as good as being ignored, right? We can leave it out. So we just have 539. It makes it easy for us. All right. I have Favor, Faith, finish up quickly. You're not saying anything. You're supposed to be explaining to us as you're going.
3 in 5, 1 remainder 2.
Are you Faith? Faith, open your mouth and talk quickly.
3 in 5, 1 remainder 2. 3 in 23. 7 in 20. In 29.
Yes. 3 in 29 is what? She has forgotten 3 in 29.
3. So people is making plenty sound and I don't like it.
So is it because of what Favor is doing now that you don't remember 3 in 29? Please, don't use anything as an excuse. Just answer, give us the answer and let's move. So what?
Jesus!
Okay.
Hey!
3 times 9 is 27 now. She's right. No, but no, it's not 0.2. I'm sorry. Faith, correct yourself. It's not 0.2. It's 179. See, Faith, anytime you don't know what the point is, don't assume anything. 179 remainder 2/3, or as you have 0.666. Okay. So, Favor, please check. Is there any answer like that there?
Yes, but close. It is 179.67.
Exactly. So you have to round it up. So it's 0.67 or 0.7, anyone. If they say to 2 decimal places, it's 0.67. Thank you, Faith and Favor, for that joint work. Okay, so sometimes you can see you just have to be patient and solve the question to the end. All right, so go ahead and write it in your book. It's quite a long one, but there's no problem. The important thing is that you know the formula. Can you see why it's important to know the formula? If you didn't know the formula, is there anything you could have done after that? No. So please take note of these formulas. And let me show you one secret about some of these formulas. Anytime you see squared, most likely it's area that's involved. Anytime you see cubed, most likely it's volume that is involved. Look at carefully, volume of a sphere. A sphere is the closest solid to a circle, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you see how it looks like area of circle? Pi r, but instead of squared, is what? Cubed. Then look at the 4/3 there. That is telling you this is not a circle. This thing is a solid. It's, if you look at it from 4 sides, it has, you can like put it in a box that has 4 sides, right?
Yes.
So it's a solid. It's not a flat shape. Take note of that. So please try and remember this formula. Formulae. I think that's what they call it when it's in plural.
Formula or formulae?
Yes. All right. So just capture the main things. Take note of the formula and then the things that we did. If you want to remind yourself of the mental math that we did back then, remind yourself of those mental math skills. You need it. I promise you, you will need it. Faith, please, let's not have to make you to write though, so that you will not slow us down. Right now that Favor is writing.
I'm writing.
Okay. I just wanted to be sure.
So my stomach is turning me.
Sorry. We'll soon be done. I know what your stomach is saying. Your stomach is saying, I want more food. But it's not even up to 1 o'clock, madam. That your stomach should be calming down.
So our stomach is big with a very big hole. Faith used to say my stomach is bigger than Mountain Everest. I'm not hungry.
Sorry. You want to drink water, but don't come and tell me that you want to go and wee. Yeah, I'm not going to allow you to go to any toilet to go and wee anywhere. Sorry, Faith, don't worry, we'll soon be done, okay? Tell your stomach to calm down. Favor, stop laughing. I'm not joking.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Okay, so should I wipe up the screen now?
No, sir.
Okay.
So we can move to number 48.
Okay, all right. So I'll have to wipe up the screen to do that. Number 48, Favor, over to you.
It says the weather forecast for of a specific week in the state are
Is it starting from Monday?
Celsius. The weather forecast.
Is it starting from Monday or from Sunday? Just tell me so that I'll arrange it.
They did not write any Monday, Tuesday.
Okay, sorry. I thought it was Monday. Okay, Ayana, talk to me. What did they say next?
They said the specific week. It is the weather forecast for a specific week in the state are 36 degrees Celsius. No, it's 36 degrees.
36 degrees Celsius.
34 degrees Celsius. 36 degrees Celsius. 36 degrees Celsius. 34 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius. Find the mean.
Find the mean. This one is simple now. Oh yeah, who can do it for me quickly? This is baby maths.
Hey!
Yes. Mean. Is it not another word for mean is what?
Average.
Thank you. So you're just adding and dividing by what? Who can tell me?
The number, how many numbers it occurred?
And how many numbers it occurs? How many numbers there are altogether? And how many numbers are there?
How many numbers are there? Are 7.
I think I've missed one. I think the last one was 35. Am I right?
Yes.
So what happened? I think I've mixed up something.
Yes, sir. It is 36 degrees Celsius, 34 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius. So there are 33 degrees Celsius.
There are 336, you mean?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the last one, second to the last is what?
36. 34 degrees Celsius.
And then finally
35.
35. Okay, I get it now. Okay, so there are 7 altogether. Oh yeah. So who is adding it up for us? Faith, can you help us with that?
You.
Faith, you can do it now.
247.
It's what?
247.
247. Are you sure about that, or you want us to do it quickly cross-check?
I did this myself.
Okay. But it looks to me like I may have to cross-check. Okay, let's just do a cross-check, just to be sure. Okay, so this how me I'm cross-checking. I'm adding all the last digits, the units digits. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 5, 37. Okay, looks like she's right. But I'm not done. 3, 3, 3. 3 in 7 places, that's 21. Plus 3, 24. Excellent, Faith. Nice job. Okay, so 247 divided by 7 is what? Favor.
I'll say
Favor, your own is taking time for us to get to. Faith just answered us sharp. 32, okay.
Sorry, the 7 in 27 is what? 3 remainder.
Hey.
3.
3 remainder what?
3. I mean, 7 in 37 is 12.
12, okay. Where did you get 12?
I mean, I thought it was 3 already, but in 7, 5.
So, so is there any answer that looks like this, or is it in decimal that they gave it? Please help me check. Is there any answer that looks like 35 whole number 2/7, or
It's 35 whole number 35.29? I mean,
0.29?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I know.
So wait, let me see.
What happened, Faith?
So it's what? 35 point what?
0.29, Abby?
Yes, sir. There's something like 35.29.
Okay. All right. Faith, that was a fast one. I like how you calculated the sum. And when I wanted the answer, you were able to give me the answer. It's good. I wish you guys can be fast like that all the time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when you're done with that, we'll go straight to 49.
We're done. Yeah, I wish you are done. So I don't mind that one. I'm not done, no.
I think maybe the reason why Faith was done before you, because She has already done part of the calculation. So all she needed to do was to write the remaining part that she had not written. Okay. I have favor. So it's you are waiting for. So while Favor is writing, please, I believe there's quantitative after this question, right?
Yeah. No, we will write 49 and 50, then we reach quantitative.
So we will do the quantitative together. But you know what I want you to do? If you can, try it by yourself so that by our next class, that's what we'll focus on and then move into, I guess, I believe there's science after that, isn't it? Is there science?
Yes.
Please.
Primary
Is there
science?
Good. Now, that science own, please, anyone that you don't know, feel free to use Google. What did I say?
Feel free to use Google.
At least we have some a bit of, we can rely on Google, okay? Only in the extreme cases, maybe you want to do ChatGPT, but use Google. Let's just stick to Google instead of going to ChatGPT for that. Okay, so by the time we meet, by God's grace, tomorrow, I don't want us to spend too much time in our class. You know, normally we don't meet on Fridays, but if we have to meet, I don't want us to spend much time. It's just like a review, and then we're like encouraging ourselves so that you will be ready for Saturday morning, okay? Make sure that you sleep on
What
time.
Saturday? Do we have a model exam on Saturday?
Do we have a what?
I have a do we have model exam?
What do you mean by model exam?
It's admission letter to secondary school.
You guys have an exam to write on Saturday, isn't it?
Yes, admission letter. I don't mean for your admission letter to secondary school. Did you not hear when mommy was announcing it?
Okay. So that letter will be given to you once you could pass the exam, right?
Yes, and I will pass in Jesus' name. I will get everything.
Amen. But I want you to understand that some schools usually do interviews after their exams. So don't just celebrate that it's done. When you pass, that's just stage one.
Interview of what?
Yes, an interview. They usually like to talk to the students who they're about to admit. And most people mess up at the interview stage. Well, you don't want to.
What is the interview stage? What are we going to do in the interview?
They could just ask you. It could be an oral interview. They could ask you questions. I know some schools that will even give you maths to solve as part of the interview. Solve, not A, B, C. No, you will write it there for them. It's not objective. You do the maths there. So it's not a scary thing. I'm just trying to tell you that sometimes don't just conclude that passing the exam is all that's expected of you. Okay. So number 49, are we good? Let's go to number 49 so that we wrap it up.
49 says the number of storybooks read in some peoples are 6, 9, 8, 6, 5, and 6. Find the mode. 6.
Anti-favor, can you be calming down when you're reading this thing? You know you're listing out things, and I'm writing. How do you want me to be writing everything as you're reading it and you're speeding
9, 8, 6, 6. Wait. 6, 9, 8, 6. 5. And 3. I said and 3. And 6.
Favor, why are you doing like this now?
Sorry, sir. It says find the mode. And the mode is 6.
Yes, you're right. The mode is 6. 6 occurs 3 times. So yes, the mode is 6. Easy peasy.
And that's easy.
Okay. So the last but not the least, number 50.
There are some people are not even written this thing.
Okay, let's wait for them, Abby. Now, did you notice that this question, Abby, today's question did not ask anything about median, but who can remind us what median means? Who remembers what's the meaning of median? Faith.
That's the median in number 50.
Oh, really? Oh, interesting. Oh, yeah, let's wait for number 50 then. Let's not jump the gun.
6, 5, and 6.
Okay, so number 50 is asking us for the median using the numbers in number 49. Is that?
No.
Oh, okay. It has its own numbers. Oh, yeah, give me its own numbers.
So number 50 says the ages of group of people are 43,
43,
42,
42,
36,
46. Yes.
I don't say 46, I said 36.
Oh. 36. All right. Yes. Next.
And it says 55.
55. Okay.
22.
Good. 22.
38. And 40. And then says find the median.
Okay. So how do we find the median? Faith, you want to help us?
No.
You don't know median, Abby?
Median is
that
what
why
is
you
the
said
middle. To arrange it correctly, that is 22.
I know median, but I don't want to. I don't want to.
You don't want to help us.
22. So first we are going to arrange it 22. 36.
Yes.
38.
Yes.
40.
40.
42.
42.
43.
43.
And 55.
And 55. Thank you so much for that. So now that we found that, which one is in the middle?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would say 40 is in the middle.
Yes, I agree with you so very much. It is 40 because 40 is right in the middle of 3 here and 3 here. So this is the median. Yes, I agree. Okay, so you can go ahead and write. Faith, you that don't want to help, how am I even sure that you knew the answer? Maybe it's because she didn't know how to solve it. She wanted to do that. She doesn't want to help us. This your young guy is too much. Oh. Okay. So, Favor is laughing.
Still arrange it. 22, 36, 38, 40, 42, 43, and 55. Median. Favor done.
Okay. So, you guys are going to school tomorrow, right?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. So hopefully, let me see. If we're having class tomorrow, it will depend on when I'm back from work. That would be say 7 or 6. You guys are back from school by 4 now, right?
No, we're back from school by 1.
By
Sometimes we
1.
might do lesson, so it might
Mm-hmm.
take almost 2.
By the time me I'm back from work, people would have even rested now. Somebody like Faith would have slept 2 times. 2 of us. Faith likes sleeping, Abby.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But when we're doing holiday, Faith will
Mm.
not sleep till 10 o'clock. That's when it will be 11:30. Everybody will say, "Has she not come out?" You go and wake her up. She's still sleeping. Till 12 o'clock. That's when she might have almost wake up.
She's sleeping as like someone who sets a fly beat.
You're not saying she
Faith,
will
don't
not come
sleep.
and help us.
Don't sleep like that, too. Okay. All right. So please remember what I said, though. Do work on the quantitative by yourself, and then what else? Do the science. And if you need assistance from Google, please do it. Faith, how is your stomach now?
It's a
Hmm?
bit better.
It's a bit better. Okay. Don't worry, it'll be fine. Okay. So see you tomorrow, God's grace.
So are we meeting tomorrow?
Yes, yes. When I come back
At
from work,
which time?
that will be around 6. It should be around 6.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
And on Saturday, please be praying for us.
Yes, 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 yes. You got my support full time.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Bye,
You're
sir.
welcome. All right,
Bye.
bye.